Good morning, your boy Kevin Dang. Wow, today after freezing days, we close for 1.5 day, actually 1 day. And I come back today. Let's see what news. You see the first time in 100 years that you heard, right? The winter storm come to the down south. Down south means from Texas way to Florida, Louisiana, Mississippi, freezing. The first time we see that much snow whatsoever in 100 years. Maybe in my lifetime, this first and only one I can see it. What I got for that? I come back right here. I get the idea for you guys. I give you guys another deal of the lifetime. I got my Rolex right here, 41 millimeter, brand new watch, box and paper. I set the diamond on it, beautiful with OVS diamond and black and white. We call zebra. My cost like $25,000. I got only one left. I'm ready to let it go for $15,000. 41 millimeter, brand new VS diamond, black and white diamond zebra. That's what I call for 15,000. Only one left. You can go to my Instagram and you click on there, buy only one from straight from my website. Only one. Hurry up. One in a lifetime. Yes, sir. Done. Go. And we got the new president, Donald J. Trump. I sit at home. I watch CNN the whole day. Trump, and Trump. We went to the party, we talk about Trump, we go to, anyway, we will talk about new president. Now I just focus talking about the policy, that's what he said on the first day. President Donald Trump, he declared down-south border emergency. So basically, he talked about immigration policy. So the idea is, we will vote for him, he will no more open border. They stop everybody. So you have to go to the U.S. legally, all right? Not the criminal. I totally agree with him on that. But here the thing I'm talking about. My family and me not from here. We came here from Vietnam 30 years ago. People were asking me if Trump policy right now, it get affected 30 years ago, what happened with me? I say, the policy, you just say you come here legally, right? But right now I see that everybody coming to the U.S. got to be stopped. Even you come here legally, they stop you anyway. Wait, so if that policy go back to 30 years ago, I don't think we are here today. People have to wait. I might have to wait another 3-4 years. And if you wait for a couple of years to come to the U.S., everything going to change. So I agree with president and not agree at the same time. That's my opinion. Okay, let's go back today, refresh my about, people always asking me about, hey, I heard that the diamond price dropped. They say, what do you mean by drop? I mean, the diamond price going down every day. I say, yes, it's correct, but at the same time, it's not. What I mean is, and I agree with you, the diamond price dropped on the big certified diamond, but not with the diamond that's we working on. We do custom order, like we do custom watch, we have to use the smaller diamond. That price not drop at all. This price for the melee diamond going up to me. So actually, the diamond price drop is not true. It's not correct. So next question is, so you still buying the jewelry now? It's a good idea to buy it right now, or we buy something else? I say, yes, anything you buy, even the diamond, if you find a good deal, just buy, because diamond will last forever. That's so valuable. You can pass to the next generation. Okay, and another thing we're talking about the lab diamond. So how the lab diamond price compared to the natural diamond? So I say the lab diamond, like I say, almost like 90% less compared to natural diamond. But it's not the case on the small diamond. The melee diamond, the lab diamond, and the natural diamond, almost the same price. So when you buy the diamond about custom order, like something like this, to me, I always pick up the natural diamond instead of lab. That's what I prefer. But all about your choice. If you get a limited budget, you can choose the lab diamond. If not, get natural diamond. Next question, how to invest your money on jewelry? Should you invest? Should you buy jewelry right now or not? Let me make this way. Your answer is yes. You should buy jewelry. It doesn't mean you buy jewelry from me. You can buy your jewelry from anywhere else. But make sure you buy with the right price. You buy your deals only. Like you when you go out there, you buy a car, right? You know you buy any car, your price will drop. But not the case if you buy a couple cars. If you know what you're doing, you buy a good car, you drive it, you enjoy it, and later on when you sell it, you keep the value. Or maybe you should lose a little bit. Maybe you should sell it for even price. Some people even sell it with the profit. Jewelry going to be the same thing. So you know you have to pick up your dealer. That's what you're dealing with. Make sure you get the deal before you buy. Yes, you buy the right price. You go ahead and spend on jewelry. It's not going to go no. Your money is still there. Your money is still there. And what are we talking about, huh? Oh yeah, you know here's the thing. No, about CNN again. I watch CNN every single day, man. I say like, hour now. Mr. President, sign the paper. They're going to spend $500 billion, not million, okay? He spent $500 billion on the AI. I say, wow, $500 billion in AI. So how can that affect me, affect your jewelry business? AI, I love AI. You know, everything you talk about, Instagram, Facebook, story, AI can do everything for you from medical field to education, to the business, to politics. AI help everything right now. How AI can help me on my jewelry business? First, in about designing jewelry. You know, now I get a couple of software with AI involved. I can design variety of the same pendant, and at the same time, we cut off a lot of ties. So save time, they get more variety for the customer to pick up and more quicker. The last time it takes us like 2-3 days design one pendant. Right now I'm talking about just a couple of hours. That's different. It means that save time, save money. That saving I'm gonna pass to my client. So basically the cost of doing my jewelry right now gonna be lower. That's the key I want to improve. I will always figure out your way. We do it. We keep the quality the same or better, but lower the cost. How we lower the cost? The only one way we lower the cost is lower the cost of the labor. Because as I tell you, the melee diamond keep the same price or going up. The gold always go up. So how can I bring the price down? The only thing we can cut off is the labor. AI helped me to lower my labor a lot. I talk about almost 50%. Nowadays, everything AI, computer technology, the machine, AI. So that's what I'm talking about. So you get better price on custom order now because with the AI. Now talking about your crypto, I get a couple of customers asking me, call me, hey Kevin, I heard that your guy buying a couple of crypto, right? Should I buy some if I get some saving money? I say, heck yeah, if you get some money right now, don't spend too much money. You know, crypto, Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, Solana, RP, you name it, we call crypto, just a coin. But don't invest too much in there. You should buy, yes, some for you. How much? 5,000, 10,000, why not? I get very good opportunity. You buy a couple of crypto right now, you can turn your 5,000 in 50,000, I think within 1 year. That's what happened with me. I make some money, I don't lie to you. I spent a couple, $200-300, just $200-300 right now, like $40,000-50,000. This happened with me, but I'm not saying in your case, but you have to be careful what you buy. Just crypto like gambling. To make. If you can afford to put a couple of $1,000, you win, you lose, good. But don't invest your saving money in there. Okay, maybe one day it's gone. You don't see nothing. That's what happened. And if you get crypto money, right? Crypto money, can you pay for your jewelry? If you ask me that's the same question 3 years ago or 4 years ago, no, I'm not gonna sell you my jewelry for the crypto. But now I say yes. You go here, you buy big pendant like this, and you can pay me by crypto. No problem. I take that all day long. So crypto is good. Get a crypto, pay to me, I take it. That's it. No problem. All right. We're talking about AI. We're talking about technologies. And now go right back to my business. People ask me, Kevin, what you got news in terms of your grill? When your grills, your gold teeth, that's what I do. I just create this one, the set for myself. Okay. It comes with your big, almost 1K oval diamond in the middle of the teeth and surrounding it with 10-pointer and 15-pointer. So to me, I call this one the big boy block. Okay, whatever I call it, you know, don't follow me. I call it the name. But basically, it go with one big center diamond, 1K and up. Eat every single one and surround it with a smaller diamond. So to me, they look awesome. Just everybody love it. I make for a couple of clients. Oh man, it bling. I can see them. They bling like a mouse away. But big boy costs more money. 1 carat, you know 1 carat how much is it? At least a couple thousand for one diamond. So you can imagine how much does it cost. I get whole sets, a top, a bottom. In this case, I get all the oval diamond. 1 carat surround with a smaller diamond. So if you need your grills, your new one, you want to put up with old one, you want to try to get a new one, talk to me, I will hook you up. Follow my Instagram, my social media, because from now on, every single week, I will post a special deal for you guys, special deal. I talk about special deal. So when you buy a special deal from me on my Instagram, on my website, I guarantee it. Your worst scenario, you can lose your money is 10%. Worst case scenario, it means your money still there no matter what. You spend your money, you get your jewelry to wear every day, and you get 90% of your value all day long, you should buy that. I call that a deal.